Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin takes charge of finance, works and power departments in view of financial situation prevailing in the state. BJP MLAs who recently met with central leaders term prevailing political crisis over ministry reshuffle as mere family conflicts, which will be resolved soon. Combined security team unearthed huge cache of arms and ammunition suspected to be of proscribed KCP war group at Ngarao Ching today. And Forest Department officials tried to impose tax on betel leaves at Imphal International Airport in violation of High Court's order. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joy Srusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. State Cabinet has authorized Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin to take all disciplinary actions to imbibe a culture of financial prudence and propriety in key government departments. The resolution was taken in an urgent State Cabinet meeting convened yesterday in the wake of financial situation prevailing in the state. Consequently, as an interim measure, Chief Minister N. Biren has vested the charge of the Department of Finance, including Taxation and Excise, Public Works and Power Department with himself. A press release from the Chief Minister's Secretariat issued today also stated that a thorough investigation of sanction procedures and financial management would be conducted for all the key departments. It also mentioned that the government assures its employees that timely disbursement of salaries and benefits will not be impacted. BJP MLAs who recently met with central leaders termed the prevailing political conflicts in Manipur in the wake of possible ministerial reshuffle termed it as mere family conflicts, which will be phased out soon. For BJP MLAs, namely Moirang MLA P. Sarat, Tamenglong MLA Samuel Zendai, Henglep MLA TT Haukip and Nauria Pakanglakpa MLA S. Subhas Chandra arrived at Imphal International Airport this afternoon after meeting with North East Democratic Alliance NIDA convener Himanta Biswa, BJP National General Secretary North East in charge Ram Madhav and Organizing Secretary North East in charge Ajay Jamwal. Speaking to media at the airport this afternoon, MLA Tamenglong Samuel Zendai stated that a meeting with the NIDA convener has no connection with the present political turmoil, but it was for enhancing alliance partnership. He affirmed that grievances of state BJP MLAs were submitted to BJP Organizing Secretary North East in charge, Ajay Jamwal. Samuel Zendai accepted that there is minor strife among the elected members, but he firmly denied submitting any request to replace Chief Minister Nongthong Bambirin to Himanta Biswa Sarma.
NIDA gi convener unaba haibasi political gamari leinade adubu being the convener of NIDA ekoi gi alliance partner gi cohesiveness leinanaba phongdok saba haibudune ko thedokpa political development leijade Ajay Jamwal da mahagna Manipur in charge obige maram moduna ko application di kharma ekoi gi grievances kharpi hoki adubu ekoi madi di I feel that it is internal matter ko masida political development yamna chobagi natte is a family matters elected members sing idama kharama nungai na daba lay adu arasu imungi oibge maram oidna imung na settle tawganida ekoi family da kari haigadra aina nungai ba matam da iyamba na nungai taba kya maram so lay ko adubu head of the family members na settle tawse it is natural course of Himanta Biswas the PA haibasi I think it is only a speculation ngakni ekoi na masi tawbi da ba yade haiba che pi ke ba de khangde thank you.
Meanwhile, MLA Nauria Pakanglakpa S. Subhas Chandra expressed firm belief that the prevailing political turmoil in the state in the wake of possible ministry reshuffle will be resolved this month itself.
Line of Soptor Canida, Kachu Tedona, Manipur Pradasin, Panning with the government, Kaningality, BJP government is a him, Adum Sakanika. Mashi Centrana road under Ta Sigi Manunga, Dum Masia, Lakadra Haidana Yaki, some Unazur with the Gimoikan, Moigi, my tongue with the Kangbaniko. Moikanim to come in PT, Lotoken is Haide, Loto is Haide, Equinangi with Adukatani Tabiba.
A combined team of NIA, Assam Rifles and Manipur police unearthed a huge cache of arms and ammunition suspected to be left by proscribed KCP war group at Ngarao Hilog of Saikul block under Lamlai police station in Kangpokpi district today. Acting on a tip-off, the team, including Commandant of 6 Assam Rifles AK Das and Imphalis Commando Inspector MD Rajiv, under the overall supervision of DSP of National Investigation Agency NIA Nishan Singh, carried out search operation at Ngarao Hilog around 5:30 this morning. The team unearthed the armaments including one AK-56 rifle, 2 hand grenade, 180 live round of AK-56, one 9mm pistol with 12 live rounds, 1.38 revolver with 4 bullets and combat dresses after an intense search of 5 hours. It is reported that the arms were utilized by the proscribed outfit to attack oil tankers on National Highway for extortion. Taking part in the operation, Inspector Rajiv of Commando Imphal East asserted that the search operation was one of the big achievements of the combined team.
Combined team NIA, CDO Imphal East, 6 Assam Rifle, CDA Punba Search Operation NIA assist NIA Deputy SP Nishan Singh Delhi headquarter dagi lakpa mohoigi pau dagi akhoi sida search operation ama tawbani akhoi gi moi NIA gi custody da leiriba paikhomba haitare people war ki oil tanker da nongmai caption bagi mamang da thogdo ama thokthda madda chena ba khuchu khlai sing oigane na moina hai.
CJM Imphal East today ordered 12 days police custody of Ningthaujam Shankar, the Assam Rifles personnel who was arrested by police for his alleged involvement in extortion operated by proscribed KCP leader Nando Luang while he was still at Jenim's special ward. Shankar was produced before CJM Imphal East yesterday and was remanded into judicial custody till June 26. Imphal East police re-arrested him and was produced before the court today. Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East has granted bail on a 50,000 rupees personal recognizance PR surety bond to 3 out of the 8 accused in connection with the suspicious death of MD Abdul Halim. However, due to inability to pay the surety bond amount, the 3 accused were sent to jail. The individuals are identified as 35-year-old MD Ibosana, son of MD Masamuddin, 27-year-old MD Tariq, son of MD Anwar, and 27-year-old Muhammad Ibungo, son of late MD Abdullah. While the court has ordered 15 days of judicial remand to the remaining 5 accused, namely MD Acho, Wahijuddin Shah, MD Banda, MD Takbir Shah, and MD Ajimuddin. The 8 accused were produced before the judge of CJM Imphal East Court Lamphel, Ningthaujam Lanleima, under tight security today. It may be recalled that the 8 accused, who are members of Anti-Drug Joint Committee Kairang, have been accused of thrashing Halim to death on suspicion of being a drug peddler. In the evening of June 6, JAC formed against the death of MD Halim stormed the court today as the accused were being produced. Police maintained a strict vigil and prevented any unwanted incident. Forest Department officials had allegedly tried to collect tax on betel leaves in violation of order of the High Court of Manipur against the same. It may be mentioned that a contempt petition was recently filed in the High Court and even the Chief Secretary was issued notice to initiate a case hearing. Amid the crisis, Forest Department officials allegedly tried to impose tax on betel leaves at Imphal International Airport today. The officials reportedly fled the airport upon getting information that media persons were on their way to cover the news. Speaking to media, proprietor of Moirangthem Enterprises, Premila, claimed that forest officials started imposing tax on betel leaves again on June 14, despite exemption by the High Court. Meanwhile, Impact News sources said that Deputy Forest Ranger L. Borkumar, along with another staff, Ibomcha, tried to collect the tax in association with two other non-officials, namely Ranjit and Subhash Chandra, who are suspected to be close relatives of Forest Minister of the state.
Forest ke hana singami adugi matungina I transit pass kakserambani adu high court ki order sigi matungina Manipur da di horticulture da chingre hai adugi rai dugi matungina I transit pass kak pasi matam khara lepsarure tha amagumba ka khabar da kari da irakpadagi lepsarure aduga numit kharni gi mamang dagi amu kainogi forest da singe asigi amuk transit pass kakadabni haibadagi amuk su kaksare adugi matungina High Court ki order ama laina si kakpham thokti haina haibagi matang da aina kaino thajai contem sigi matung ina aina aigi si transit pass kakpham thokti haiba matamda pochibu receipt ta wasaliba angang singda transit pass ka kadabani hana gumna mana thigadabani natragadi pot chatpa yaroi haibana singba karigumba mayam ama haijai aigi mityeng da illegal manba pot khara uribasi mayamna mityeng amtang changbiu mathak thongba lairiba Sigi department sigi lairiba officer oiro mathak thongba honorable minister sing oiro kari oiro changbiba sibu mityeng changbiba yaba singna changbiu haina ai appeal tawjani.
Uripok Pachaspati Maninglekai Development Association today organized a reception ceremony for Dr. RK Ranjan, who was recently elected as member of Lok Sabha from Inner Manipur constituency in the 17th Lok Sabha election. The reception program was held at Uripok Pachaspati Maninglekai Community Hall. The association also submitted a memorandum requesting to carry out various developmental works in the area to the MP on the occasion. MP Dr. RK Ranjan assured that he will try his best to construct a library, which is one of their demands included in the memorandum.
Shri Honorable Prime Minister Modi nasu Digital India hairibadina digital ki library se monitor screen apapa amani torga madugumbado online ta club members na paisa khaijan biraga online da lobu yaba lyric sing madugi member oraga lautharaga printing machine namuga thamaga maduda toraga de saigi aina thegnaja kiba lyric phangdabugi awaba Tibam Kangdabado, Madumade, Kokan Kali. Was it like a civilization city? Low Simuba Loigre, industry Loigre, technology Loigre, knowledge based society hybrid like Loxing the Yumpam Oiba, Adugumba Sama Zamala never.
Proscribed group Maoist Communist Party has lifted its ban imposed on the engineering cell of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS temporarily. The group warned doctors not to practice outside the state after taking non-practicing allowance (NPA). Acting on a tip-off regarding illicit activities going on at hotels in Imphal City, a team of Imphal West Commando conducted cordon in search operations at hotels in Imphal City today. The team, under the supervision of additional SP operations, Imphal West Police Aribam Ganasham, carried out search drives at Hotel Embassy, Hotel GM, Prince Lodge, Hotel Polo Inn, Hotel Avenue and Niran Lodge from 4:12 p.m. till 5:12 p.m. No arrest was made during the drive. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on KSA getting hold of 22 non-locals without proper identification documents at Koirengate today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Amid hue and cry against influx of illegal migrants and demand to implement inner line permit system in the state, illegal entry of outsiders still continues unabated. Kanglei Park Students Association KSA today apprehended 22 non-locals without proper identification documents from one Imphal Guwahati bound bus at Koirengate. The 22 non-locals were reportedly sent by one contractor named Akram from Guwahati for construction of a house for one non-local named Ratan residing at Mantri Pukri. Out of the 22, 9 individuals are below 18 years of age. They were produced before media at KSA office and later handed over to Imphal police station. Speaking to media, KSA President Chetan urged the relevant authorities to take necessary measures to prevent such illegal entry of outsiders in the state without further delay.
Manipur People Protection Bill 2018 passed out duna India ke President na SNP duna lairiba cherak asida Manipur ra mian cha myamna omjilak tana ojik chasalaiba cherak asida Kanglepak Student Association KSA na non Manipuri basta pusalapa KSA na phare Guwahati da Paldan Bazar da leibiriba roll Rajdhani counter network counter superjet counter airbus counter salai ticket counter asi athuba matamda numit humni gi manungda KSA ge officer laaga makhoi gi thaudang haitare mase taminanaba KSA na makhoi puning singsinjari.
Clean Energy for Environment Mission CE2M was launched today to ensure energy security for communities living in remote areas in Manipur. The mission is sponsored by Center for Microfinance and Livelihood CML and Tata Trust. Chanura Microfin Manipur organized the launching event at Manipur Press Club. Speaking to media, CEO of Chanura Microfin Manipur, PK Kuman, stated that the mission aims to solve electricity crisis facing poor families living in remote areas of the state. He asserted that the mission will also facilitate local entrepreneurs who utilize electricity for running their business. He maintained that the mission is a long-term project with great potential to reduce cost of electricity bill. PK Kuman assured that 1,000 solar plates will be distributed this year to beneficiaries. Solar plates were provided to 5 beneficiaries of Chanura Microfin Manipur for the first phase today.
Imungi home lighting kaktang nataba makoi singsigi marak sidagi electric motor the base toba industry toba adugumba singda akoina solar gi motor gi khudong chabu da piraga makoi singda phanganjaga dabani solar project sida Chanura Microfin Manipur na solar gi local entrepreneurs kharasu masida sida promote tawjagani aduga makoi singse Selco Foundation haibaduna certified toroba aduga makoi gi product singse quality control toba adugumba product oina test toroga akoina lawjagani entrepreneurs sing su hinganba aduga lamdam sigi lairaba singda su Sidmit Londa Amadi Makoina Hingbada comfort life profitable aduga Makoigi productivity Madu Lehenabagi Akoi Soidnamaki Pangbangani have Tazabalize.
State Agriculture Department and The Garden Care jointly distributed rice variants like Tamfa Po, RC Money Po 7, RC Money Po 13 and Black Aromatic Rice to 20 farmers of FIG Imphal East District under Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeast Region Agriculture. Distribution events were held at Yumnam Kuno, Pukhao Lefam, Uyumpok and Nongada. Joint Livelihood Group Loan Victims Family Joint Action Committee Kairao Langdum refuted all allegations on Loney's charged by BC Forum of Punjab National Bank Irilbung branch. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, President of the committee Assam Rifles expressed suspicion of a joint ploy by Punjab National Bank Irilbung branch and BCs of the bank to fish out some money. She claimed that the bank branch manager and BC Forum never released full loan amounts to Loney's. Bemcha also claimed that the committee has proved to negate all the allegations charged by the bank manager and the BC Forum. She further called the spokesperson of BC Forum, L. Dinesh, a dishonest person.
Akoina thigalu matamda lising yang khagi lol oiramanina nangna akoida haigi badudi nam thakni aduna nangna pai hori ba lising tara mari sama jigi interest ka sendoi selep se puna akoida handopiro akoi loan singjarage haire mana adudi ngammoi haire pare akoi ju tawruraba karmani nangju pare nangju akoi ju khara thadoknaraga lising tara mari sama je sigi manunga lising nipan je akoida hanto sendoi ga yauna lising taruk chimane ne akoi gi chembi chongbi ji bagi nang ka o yare hai kanjida yanare tang tara tare sida mana passbook se pirage na habire ko ayena agreement si janara matu tara tar si kun ga mathoi da passport si pibire adu passport si pi kanda khoida karimta iraktaba passport si da update su tawde khoina sensing gi bagi dagi ama adu gum su am yaktaba aduga loan gi amount je kun 3 sa mani ibire yang khai si biraktreba.
Naushepam Prema, elder sister of 46-year-old Pradhan of Bamun Kampu Gram Panchayat Naushepam Rabi, who is in police custody in connection with the murder of Kunjamayum Arun, son of Sana Jauba from Bamun Kampu Makhalekai, has urged the relevant authorities to bring justice to her younger brother. Speaking to media at Rabi's residence in Bamun Kampu Makhalekai today, Prema stated that her younger brother has been kept in police custody since the last 2 months. She appeals to carry out speedy investigation into the case. Prema asserted that she will not deny befitted punishment given to her brother if he is guilty. She appeals to release him if he is not guilty of the crime.
Haugiba April tang kulumdoigi ayu pung tarang tawse kunjamangi leidaba arungi mapa tasana jawsi laga malat police report tawjena ra bije khoi myam laida puraga mihar pamani masana cylinder tawrena yung kaiju loina thugai bigre duga thani phadorabasi da ngasi ba thongmaram khangdabase mihar pa sengbaje atuba matamda mari leina ba kuting mangna atuba matamda puthok piune hajari achumbaje amukta thidok piuna ipara bina lala magasu magi dandi phangbam thokpada koin kaimta haijaroi phangmam thokpa adum phangja tabani ado atopa miharpa amana oire adum asengbudo adum athuba matamda puthokpiona mari leina ba miam phunangna police department dei oiro amada oiro punamagna athuba matamda puthokpiona haijari.
Imphal West District Police informed that the man who was found critically injured near Children Home in Kabolekai, Dula Lane on June 8 has succumbed to his injuries at Raj Medicity yesterday. The yet-to-be-identified body is kept at Rims Morgue. The deceased is around 5 feet 4 inches tall and thin-built. He has oval-shaped face and medium complexion. He was found wearing a blue-colored full jean pant. One may contact Imphal West Police for details. Ninth Sector Tulihal and Kaital Manbi battalions of 9th Sector Assam Rifles held World Day Against Child Labour observance yesterday. A debate-cum-seminar on child labour was conducted at Combined Public School Sagoltongba, while a lecture program was held at Standard Royal Mission School, Kanchipur, to mark the day. Khuga Battalion of Churachandpur presented computer sets to Zilla Scenic Board today. The computer sets were presented under the Reach Out program of ex-servicemen grievances cell. Rosary Baby School in Kongba Bazar today felicitated Michael Atom, a first position holder in science stream of this year's Class 12 examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, COSEM. Michael did his formative schooling at Rosary Baby School. The Academy Award for Best Foreign Language Film, 1988 Italian film Cinema Paradiso, directed by Giuseppe Tornatore, will be screened at MSFDS in Palace Compound at 5 p.m. on June 16. An interaction program on the film will also be held on the occasion. Voluntary Help Unit Committee and Department of Hematology and Blood Transfusion, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, will jointly organize a voluntary blood donation camp at RIMS Hospital on June 18. Now the sports news. All Manipur Football Association kicked off 3-day state-level residential clinic for referees at Kumanlapak Sports Complex today. The residential clinic will continue till June 16. Javachandra Haubam, KSH Sarachandra, KSH Madhuchandra, M. Joychandra, L. Yaima, M. Maghao, and H. Kamaba are taking charge as instructor, while I. Ravichandra, L. Tarun Kumar, and C.H. Kailani Chanu are taking charge as trainee instructors. Men and women referees from across the state and Y. Biplav from Tripura are taking part in the clinic program. Category 1, 4 Category 1 referees, 10 Category 2 referees, 37 Category 3 referees, and 84 Category 4 and 5 referees of Manipur are taking part in the clinic. Speaking to media, AIFF referee instructor Jadav Chandra Haubam stated that the attending referees will be acquainted with the latest rules and regulations of the football sport.
tongan-tonganba mafamsingda laiba refereesingsiga akoi ate mafamdai laiba refereesiga sahi gi oina punsanaba aduga maruina akoi handaki sahi 2019-20 sidadi football gi law 13 laiba manungda yamna sauna akoi law mari khangnatana law 13 da asawa ohongba malakpa laiba ohongba singasi akoi refereesingna magi district ta natraga amphagi oiba mapung common oiba tournament ama pangthobu matamda amaga manadaba amaga akoigi tongan mongda akoi decision pina matamda tholaiba issue singsi manganana akoigi koknana ba haidana mai pangtokpa akoigi adugma cleaning ni chanabada hoi sumi khana chainaba team singna hangdabadagi oiro amadagi oiro natraga akoigi ningi baduna akoi sumbanen khala tawo mayam lei adu handaki cleaning tawbadagi di aina khanjabada ayamba akoi aduga akoi nasu paper da igadawa adu publish tawgadawa leirabanina mase khar makhaidi akoi kokpa ngamagane na aina.
Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongtungma Bireen takes charge of finance, works and power departments in view of financial situation prevailing in the state. BJP MLAs who recently met with central leaders term prevailing political crisis over ministry reshuffle as mere family conflicts, which will be resolved soon. Combined security team unearths huge cache of arms and ammunition suspected to be of proscribed KCP war group at Ngaroching today. And the Forest Department officials tried to impose tax on betel leaves at Imphal International Airport in violation of High Court's order.